Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can create a new password on your Wells Fargo mobile banking app. So first of all, open the app. Then once the sign in page appears, just tap on the create new password option right below. That might take some time. You need to enter your username in this box, or you need to enter your social security number or your individual tax identification number in this box, and then click on continue, and afterwards you need to follow all the instructions provided. If you don't remember your username, or if you don't remember your social security number or your individual tax identification number, you can also call on the number 1-800-956-4442 for assistance. So this much for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you